Want to make learning fun and exciting for your little one? Give them this amazing interactive ebook from Wishluk to kickstart their learning journey. With the press of a button, kids can hear exciting sounds. It covers alphabets, numbers, fruits, animals, vehicles, and even nursery rhymes, all with engaging sounds. The buttons makes learning so exciting, and the battery operated book even features volume control for convenience. It's been a joy watching her learn while having so much fun. Make learning a joyful experience for your little one. Order this amazing ebook now from Wishluk.
Running, 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 running. Now let's stop, up and down.